What's going on, everyone? Papa Joe's Garage here, working on the 2000 Ranger, working on the third brake light. So it has the OEM light, as you'll see, and the bulbs have been dead for I don't know how long. So I asked my wife for Christmas last year to get me a new third brake light, and I've been searching around and I was comparing all the different LED lights they have, and I came across this one that I feel like I haven't really seen anyone on all the pages and everything having it, you know. It's all the same LED with the little W squiggles, and so I decided to go for, since it doesn't work anyway and I haven't got pulled over for it, even though I don't think you have to worry about that, I opted to go for a smoke look, which I know will get a lot of hate, but we'll see how bright it is. The review said it was pretty bright, but it has bright in the middle, and then the sides are for the brake, and then the bright in the middle, I believe, it could be the other way around, just like it is factory for the bed light. So let's put it on. Let's see. It does have some nice thick foam for the weatherproofing. I don't recall if I have to mess with the plug or not. I thought this was going to be a universal plug. I can't remember. Plug and play. So we'll see. And it came with some new screws, because we'll see what those ones are like when I pull them out. And it's looking like the plug is a plug and play, so I think I got lucky. 906. So the bulb lights for the factory are C906, if you were curious. I'm surprised this is not leaking. There's like no gasket left. How it is dry in there, I don't know. Luck, I guess. Now I'm going to clean the surface nice and good so that I hopefully don't have any leaks, because I know a lot of people, they put on aftermarket lights and they leak and then they complain the headliner's ruined. This one needs a new headliner anyway, but I don't want water in there, obviously. I don't want mold, I don't want anything in there. Now I also know I saw a lot of people saying to use silicone. I'm gonna take a chance and use this thick foam. And there's no point of before and after because they didn't work before, so. Could go a little tighter. It's scary, so I don't want to crack the lens because that kind of defeats the purpose of it. Now, I'm not a big fan of the smoke look on most rigs for headlights, taillights, and whatnot. I'm into the clear, but I thought this would look good since I have the louvers on here. So I'm gonna turn the truck on and we'll see what it looks like. Nothing, obviously. Brake light middle, brake light middle. And turning the knob up all the way for the dash lights. Turns on the bed lights, which I'm actually pretty stoked about. I don't know how dark they or light they are, but not having them before, so it'd be nice to have something. Brake, that's pretty bright. And bed light. Nothing to write home about, but better than no light at all. If someone's riding my ass, I can at least flash them. So that's cool. So it's about the same profile as the OEM one. I think it looks pretty slick. I like it. So if you do like it, I'm not entirely sure about posting links on YouTube. I think I've done it in the past and it never became a clickable link. I don't know how to do it. But Amazon, it's parts, AM, lighting accessories, SKU 216040, made in China. We'll see how long they last. I might do an update video if there's a leak. And if there isn't a leak, it's like monsoon season here in Oregon right now. We're getting hit hard. So I'll know pretty quick if they leak. So hopefully they don't. It doesn't. But if it does, I'll be sure to let you know. It's a little too late for me to leave a review on there. It's been almost a year. But I finally got time to put it on. Finally pulled the Ranger in the shop for the first time ever. So anyways, hope this helped you decide for your Ranger. I do believe it says it was for 99 to 2000, I don't know, probably 11. I think they're all pretty much the same. The clip might be different, but I feel like the third brake light, they probably didn't change too much. So do with it what you will. Do your due diligence when searching. Thanks for watching.